Hi guys, my name is Therese Vasquez from 10 out of 10 and currently it is 10:10 p.m. on Monday and I'm going to be doing a how to fix my sleep schedule challenge. Since quarantine, my sleep schedule has been kind of crazy. It's not been consistent, and let me paint a picture for you guys. I've been sleeping around 12 midnight or like to 1 a.m., 1:30 a.m. even, or 2, and then waking up at 6:45 in the morning to drive my mom to work because she works in the town over. I don't want to wake up and just like drive because I'll be groggy and it's bad to drive when you're tired, okay? Don't do it. So that's currently what my sleep schedule is like, and I'm trying to fix that because school is starting soon. Even though it's gonna be a hybrid, I still want to mentally and physically prepare my sleep schedule and my body clock to wake up at a certain time, to be consistent with it so that it's not so confused, and to have a more productive day. So my goal is to wake up at 5:30 by the end of the week, and this challenge involves getting up 15 minutes earlier and sleeping 15 minutes earlier. But considering I sleep at like 1 a.m., I'm gonna just start it at 11 p.m. today. So for tonight, I'm gonna start by doing my night routine and just winding down, and then I'll see you guys in the morning and we'll see how it goes. I hope it's gonna be easy to follow if you're gonna try this out yourself, but do what's best for you and you can change it however you would like. This is just how I'm gonna be doing it for this week and trying out this challenge. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's like early. It's like 7:10 and I usually drop my mom off. Today she is off today. Perfect for experiment day 1 because I get to just have a slow morning. I did wake up at 6:30. I kind of used the natural light to help my body like wake up on its own. So I'm gonna start my day and then I'll check back with you guys at night when I'm winding down. Oh dear, my shoulder popped. Damn. You can't see it, but it's my smoothie. Spilt it. I would spill it, huh? Hey guys, so just checking in. It is 9:20 p.m. and yeah, I'm gonna start winding down. It's gonna be a little bit over an hour because I'm gonna try to sleep at 10:30 and then wake up tomorrow at 6:15, and I have a early start to the day tomorrow because I have a shift. Yeah, so again, I'm not gonna go on TikTok like I usually do before bed. Okay, I'm gonna do my night routine. Bye. And we're going to bed now. Negative thoughts out, positive vibes in. Gonna wake up happy. I'll see y'all in the morning, okay? Bye. It's too early. Hi guys, it is now 7:20 in the morning. 6:15 was okay. Like, I felt like my body was like, oh, it's time to get up. Got out the door 6:45. Now it is 7:20 in the morning and ready to start my day to be productive. The last 2 days I was it's very much a rest days. It was rest days, both of them. And if my voice sounds weird, it's because I was at the beach on Sunday in Hamilton with my friends and just yelling. We're just having a good time. I don't know what else to say. Tonight, I'm gonna try to sleep around 10:15 to wake up at around 6 o'clock. It's getting earlier and earlier, and I'm Starting to think that 5:30 is a little too early. I'll check in with y'all throughout the day maybe. Bye. Okay guys, it's 8:30.
8:30, 8:32.
Okay guys, wait, let me start again. I'm supposed to be winding down, right, and going to bed, but I'm with Keelan and Eric. Like, I can't sleep. We're trying to have fun, but I'm still gonna wake up at 6, okay?
Don't lie.
Eric is getting pizza.
Yep.
And I'm just here to update you guys and be honest, because challenges are challenges, man. Sometimes you just can't make it. Okay, I'll see you guys at 6. I failed last night. I was supposed to sleep around 9 or 10:30, but I slept at 11:30, and then I woke up at 6:15, and then I was really awake at 6:30, and right now it's 6:50. So I'm gonna redo this day again so that I will sleep tonight at 10:30 to wake up at 6 a.m. Okay, right now I'm gonna jump out of bed, get ready, start my day. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's now 8 o'clock. I came home. Now I'm making breakfast, and then I gotta go to work. Yeah, let's make some breakfast. Raisin bread toast. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna watch Good Girls on Netflix. If you haven't watched it, Manny Montana. That's all I gotta say. Manny Montana. If you're wondering, I'm on season 2, episode 9 of Good Girls.
Think about it, okay?
And we're back again. It's currently 10:10 at night on Thursday. And I know I said I would sleep by 10:30. So I'm about to get in bed and sleep it up. And I just wanted to show you guys what I spray to like get myself in like the sleepy mood or whatever. So like I put this spray, it's the stress relief spray, eucalyptus mint, and you spray it on your pillow and in your room. So I just spray it over my bed and on my pillow. And then I also use aromatherapy focus, eucalyptus and mint, and this lotion helps me also to get in the sleepy mood. I'll talk to you guys in the morning. 6:30 or 6 a.m. I got my oat milk and coffee and peanut butter and raisin toast. It's 6:30 now and I got up at 6. Hey guys, update. It is now 9:25 p.m. and she's feeling tired. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up at 5:45 in the morning. I haven't woken up at 5:45 willingly ever. Throughout the day I was pretty energized, except for like around noon, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., like around there. I just pushed through. I didn't take a nap. I actually didn't take a nap today, which is crazy. I'll check in with you guys in the morning. 5:45. Woo. Hey guys, so it's 9 p.m. I am not in my own house. I'm out with family. We're watching the Raptors game. I think this experiment is a fail. I think my body likes to wake up at 6 instead of like earlier. This morning I woke up at 5:45. Went back to sleep, woke up at 6. Went back to sleep again. Then I finally got up at 8. Then I went to work. But honestly, I feel like this experiment is done. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah. And you made it to the end of the video. Hello. I know this video is already kind of long, so I'm gonna cut to the chase. So the challenge for me was difficult. I failed. And honestly, I thought 5:30 was an achievable goal because I've seen all these YouTube videos who have done this challenge and they succeeded. Like, it was super easy for them. But on this channel, we want to keep it real, so I had to show you guys my fails and my successes. So some of those days I did wake up on time, some of them I didn't. But honestly, I woke up pretty early on all of the days. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you guys want to try this challenge out for yourself and want to let us know, make sure to tag us at 10.out of10 on Instagram. Make sure to follow us there as well. And any suggestions on other challenges or video ideas, put them down below in the comment section and we'll be sure to check them out. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Does this look like I'm sleeping?